In this clip, I'm going to be showing you how to hem the sides of the curtain. On this curtain, we're going to start from the side and put your measuring tape, and we're going to measure in 1 inch. And you can make a marking. We can also fold our fabric over, that way it's already ready. Now, after you get done with both sides, pinning both sides, we're going to sew it down. Now that we've finished hemming one side of the curtain, go ahead and hem the other side.